Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want to add something special to your next project, check out these cabinet doorknobs from POVEFONK. These champagne bronze kitchen cabinet knobs are so beautiful. I absolutely love the look, I love the color, and I love that sort of starburst design. It has a retro vintagey feel to it, and I just love it. These are super easy to install, and they come with the hardware that's needed. I appreciate that these have a nice weight to them. They're really sturdy and they don't feel wobbly at all. Once you install them, they just feel very durable and like they're going to last for a long time, especially in a kitchen where you have repeated use. You want something that's really made to last. They're made from a zinc alloy and they feel nice and solid, and I'm just really happy with the way that these turned out. I think these would be a great choice for any kitchen, bathroom, or furniture. So I would definitely recommend these, and that is my point of view.